As soon as I pull up to the farm, this is what happens. I get bombarded by stags and pullets. That's the sister. She's double fur. That's the sister to that yellow leg hatch pullet that I sent off to California the other day. That's a beautiful sister Davis Kelso. That's the cow and round here stag right there. Little Kelso stag. Looking good, little Kelso stag. That's some Bumgarner Spangles. Bumgarner Spangles. Look at them, boy. They got Bumgarner Spangles. Another little Kelso. That Bumgarner stag right there. I need to catch him. Boy, he's pretty. Camera just don't do him justice. Look at him. Nice. Got some nice ones, boys. Yeah.